Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose the new trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at that next to it a bell, turn it to all so that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we give them free daily signals. The link of them is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today that the daily candle here is closing here. That one here, let me zoom it a little bit for pictures get more clear to you. As you see it here, which is that one here. Yesterday also we opened a short. Today we close it when we are not losing nothing and we're making a little bit of profit. Then now we just open now a long position. We're going to come to it in 30 minutes. But now also here we still focused about long term. For long term here, we don't got nothing new here. As you see it here and here. That the inside bar also being focused about, which is that one. Till now we haven't breaking above and we haven't breaking down here. By the way, there is one trading strategy is it in our Udemy profile. You can go there. That trading strategy is based only about inside bar like this. You can go and watch it. And the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks. So till now also we still waiting here, the break here or here. That's it. We show you before here a double top here like that. But the double top, it doesn't break in the neckline and it's showing as if it's going to reject upward. So till now also we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days and coming hours. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. We don't need to make the video too long here. Level also, we are in a very strong level and we show it to you before. And we show you all those things. Even now we can make a summarize for it. We show it to you again. As you see it, guys, that the level also we're talking about. It's need that level here to be broke. If it's broken that level here, you're going to see a big jump coming in the coming days. But till now there is nothing clear yet, and I'll show you we got here a very clear flag like that. I show it to you before like that. That one is a very continuation pattern. Even that one, if it's breaking above here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. So till now we still waiting where is the Bitcoin is going to break. And today we got for you some on-chain data. Let me show it to you for pictures get more clear to you. So we're going there to show it to you. The on-chain data we got, guys, the first one, that one, we're looking at it every week. You remember here, those times when the peaks happening, and the last time it happened here, until now there is no red indicating there is people they selling. That meant all the people they still accumulating, and that very good news. No one want to sell now at this time. Everyone still holding his Bitcoin. That way you don't see Bitcoin don't fall down, and that very good news here. So for people who holding Bitcoin for long term, don't try to sell. Unless if you see a red like that, that's another story. That means some people they started taking profit, but now no one want to take profit because, guys, also we are very close to the big jump of Bitcoin. So try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you, guys. The other one we got, let me show it to you. The other one we got, which is that one here, stock flow. That one also being followed thousands of times. As you see it, look at the color, how it's being, and also we being here down here. We used to tell people buy Bitcoin. That's the halving cycle, guys. You are very close to it. Now also we are in month 7, guys, and we are near to finish the half of month 7. So guys, for long term, try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. You're going to see a big jump of Bitcoin. I tell it to you, I tell it to you before. Try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. That's my advice to you. If you don't want, don't come in future and blame me. Everything is too clear. The other one we got, guys, let me show it to you. The other one we got, which is that one here, that Bitcoin rainbow halving price or something like that. The names doesn't matter. That one here, you are very close to the halving, and as you see it every time, when is it here at the blue here down, it's very highly chance you are in the bottom, and as you see it, till now you still in the bottom here. So guys, try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. When it's going to touch here that orange or red, try to sell. That's the only thing I can tell you. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. You don't need to wait someone to tell you, oh, you need to do this or to do this. Try to buy Bitcoin, store it, and waiting is going to jump. That's for long term. For short term, also we day trade every day and we swing and get every day. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. Here in the 4 hours, me I told you we got that one here. That channel here. You need to focus about it if we are going to break it above here or down here, and that one it's based on the daily, guys. Here for short term here, let me show you something here at that place here. If you see here, the market tried to give you here like a double bottom here. It hasn't breaking the top here, but it tried to give you here a double bottom. Another thing here very important, me I got here a triangle like that and like that. It's going to be very clear in 30 minutes, and now also we just closing above it here. That way also we enter long, guys, here in 30 minutes. Now here in the 4 hours, you need to wait in more, guys. Let me show it to you for pictures get more clear to you. Look with me here. Let me zoom it a little bit. Look with me here. You see that triangle here, that one here, and that one here, and that one here. That in 30 minutes. But in 4 hours, you see it. We just closing above it here. That way me I give you a signal to buy, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now here for swing trading, what shall we do? For swing trading, there is nothing yet. I just tell you to wait. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you, to wait. Either the break to happen here or down here. But those smaller signals here, those ones just for day trading or something like that. But for swing trading or for sometimes to hold it, it's not yet. For sometimes also we still sideways, guys. And that one here is a distribution level. Very simple to trade it. When you touch the lower of it, you go with it till the top. When you touch the top here, you try to go down with it. And that's what also we've been doing all those days. We go with it up, we fall down with it. All those things we've been holding it. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. For pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we came down here to the oversold area. It gives us here a hidden divergence here. Shall we enter long now? For 4 hours, not yet. It needs to break that trend line here. For day trading, also we already enter long now. If you go to our Telegram or our Discord, you're going to find a long signal, guys. And by the way, the Telegram and Discord, they are just for a certain number of people. Remember that. Also, we will not give in 1,000 people free signals. Also, we just got a certain number. For you need to be very quick to join us, because it's going to be paid. Also, we make it paid, then we feel sorry for some people, then we're going to go back to them. But now, only a certain number. After that, anyone who want to join us, he need to pay money, guys. So, try to join us. And is it limited for certain number of people? So try to join us, Discord or Telegram, choose whatever you want. So here our indicator, there is nothing yet, and also we are here at the middle. There is no one controlling now, no bulls, no bears. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, also we being here at the overbought area. Market, it doesn't fall down. That way me I told you there is no one selling. It's just small market makers, and also we profiting from all that. But for swing trading, there is no move, guys. That way me I'm thinking it's going to break up now and it's going to go more higher, because our indicator is touching here the oversold area, and there is no clear signal for us to enter long now here for swing trading. We need to wait in the break to happen here in the top for us to enter long. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So here in our indicator, what should we do? We should wait the break to happen either up or either down. Also, we don't care where it's going to go, because also we're going to benefit from it if it fall down or it's going up. Everything is too clear. Let's see now the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You know guys, that video we wanted to reach at least 100 likes. So I know you can do it and you done it before. Pause the video now, you, and smash the like button, and even the other is going to do the same. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes guys, why else we enter that long? I'm going to show it to you. Used to have here a triangle like that. Very clear. Triangle like that. You see it or no? Or a wage, or name it whatever you want. Names doesn't matter. It's getting broke here, as you see it. When it's getting broke here, we enter long. That's it. Another thing we got here. I'm going to show it to you here. Look with me here, 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 and here. What you got here? You got here a double bottom, and that double bottom is getting broke here. So we enter long. That's what us we done. Yesterday us we enter a short from here. Down here we take some of the profit. Today now it's just breaking here. We enter a long. Same thing you need to do. Now here you got any price action here. You can make like that. Look with me here. That for the people they haven't entered. People they missing our signal. They can do like that. You see it? You see it? You see it? And you see it. What you got here, a very clear double bottom. If it's getting broke here, you can enter long, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, look at it. If you came to that point here, to that one here, what you got? What you got, guys? I'm talking to you. That point here, is it here? And that one here, is it here? You got a very clear divergence, guys. You see it or no? That's why us we been waiting the price action, and when the price action breaking up here, we enter long now. Now us we still waiting the take profit, guys. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video, guys. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.